Welcome to the Clinical Trials Navigator app. Our motto is to conquer cancer through clinical trials. The Clinical Trial Navigator app can be used throughout the continuum of patient care by oncologists and other medical professionals in the community. In addition, it has use in bringing novel drugs and therapies to the market to mitigate the effects of cancer by increasing patient participation in clinical trials.
The importance of patient access to information for clinical trials couldn't be more critical, with new trials coming online monthly now and new drugs coming out every few months in oncology. The ability to have something a patient can navigate on their phone and understand, again, I couldn't emphasize how important it is for patients.
It was built using Appri.io, which is an enterprise mobile app building platform. The app features an easy 3-step process to enroll patients in clinical trials. The home page consists of a clickable human body with various cancer types. Once the patient clicks on the cancer they have, they are directed to a page with information on that cancer. For example, this one is the page on breast cancer, which gives them information on breast cancer from the National Cancer Institute, a video on treatment options from world-class health organizations, and a featured early-stage and late-stage trial for the month in which they access the app. This trial is standard or comprehensive radiation therapy in treating patients with early-stage breast cancer previously treated with chemotherapy and surgery. If the patient fits that profile, they can click the Sign Up for Clinical Trials page, and they can email directly the UCSD Clinical Trial Coordinator for more information on the trial and whether they can enroll. If the patient has more than one cancer or is trying to access a different cancer type, they can simply go back to the home page and click on the next type. All pages feature a video from UCSD world-class health professionals and information on the cancer type from the National Cancer Institute, as well as featured trials for early and late-stage cancer types. And each page is customized with its own SendGrid profile to the specific professor at UCSD that is in charge of this clinical trial.
Hi, I've been an oncology nurse for about 30 years and have given chemotherapy just about most of that time. I've seen a lot of patients and given a lot of drugs. And sometimes patients lose hope when the medication that we've been giving them doesn't work anymore. So clinical trials really can help give those patients who have lost hope, give them hope for the future and more, that there is more medication, more promise that they may get better.
I've been a patient advocate for many years now, and I think the idea of a clinical trials app is an excellent resource for patients.
3 important features of my app include the clickable human body, which makes for easy access for patients of all ages, as well as the compilation of resources and clinical trials for each cancer type, and the ability to directly contact researchers through the app. I will be updating the app monthly with guidance from local researchers in oncology to ensure that patients have the most up-to-date information.